triggered people trigger people. So that when we're around somebody who's triggered because they're having a particular intense reaction that is externalizing, it's mostly externalizing their discomfort in a way that can be fighting, it can be hiding, avoiding the things we were talking about, can be fawning. So that when that happens, when we're with somebody that is triggered, that can trigger our response. And you may find this, I think the place that I always have seen it most dramatically is in my marriage. You know, that we're personalities, our opposite personalities. And so when my husband gets triggered around control issues, I find myself starting to feel really triggered. So what that means then is I get to work with my own trigger enough to be able to listen to him so that he can calm down. But I think that the idea is kind of like being triggered is contagious, really, in a lot of ways, because we all have our own triggers. I know when right after Goodbye Hurt and Pain came out, it was after the election with where Trump was elected in whatever year that was, 2016. And I had, because I was basically doing a lot of media interviews, I was getting so many calls from journalists who were triggered because they were really concerned about how this was going to affect their job. And I remember one person talking about his insurance was going to go away, yada, yada, yada. There were a lot of fears, a lot of triggering. And it was, it was shocking to me how much there was this triggering that was going on amongst a group of people, not everybody maybe, but some, and how much it was contagious, so to speak.